yourself and you will live in vain. Live for others and you will live again. Open your eyes, look within. Are you satisfied with the life you're living? Don't gain the world and lose your soul. Wisdom is better than silver and gold. Get on board now, you got the ticket, so thank the Lord. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? Oh, love would never leave us alone. In the darkness there must come out a light. The road of life is rocky and you may struggle too. You ain't gonna miss your water until your well runs dry. No matter how you treat him, the man will never be satisfied. Make love and not war, 'cause we don't need no trouble. Help the weak if you are strong now. Make way for the positive day, 'cause it's a new day, new time, new feeling. One good thing about music, when it hits you, you feel no pain. Every little action, there is a reaction. When we bend a new corner, I feel like a sweepstake winner. And then you hold me tight, you make me feel alright. Don't worry about nothing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Have pity on those whose chances grows thinner. There ain't no hiding place from the Father of creation. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. The greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively. Life is one big road with lots of signs, so when you're riding through the ruts, don't complicate your mind. Flee from hate, mischief and jealousy. Don't bury your thoughts, put your vision to reality. Wake up and live. If you're white and you're wrong, then you're wrong. If you're black and you're wrong, you're wrong. People are people, black, blue, pink, green. God make no rules about color. Only society make rules where my people suffer. And that's why we must have redemption, and redemption now. Me only have one ambition, you know I only have one thing. I really like to see happen, I like to see mankind live together. Black, white, Chinese, everyone, that's all. Everything is political. I will never be a politician or even think political. Me just deal with life and nature. That is the greatest thing to me. You entertain people who are satisfied. Hungry people can't be entertained, or people who are afraid. You can't entertain a man who has no food. Only another soul, and they absorb everything you say and actually want to hear more. You say you love rain, but you use an umbrella to walk under it. You say you love sun, but you seek shelter when it is shining. You say you love wind, but when it comes you close your window. So that's why I'm scared when you say you love me. He's not perfect, Chinatainer. Only two of you will never be perfect, but if he can make you laugh at least once, causes you to think twice, and if he admits to being human and making mistakes, hold on to him and give him the most you can. He isn't going to quote poetry. He's not thinking about you every moment, but he will give you a part of him that he knows you could break. Don't hurt him, don't change him, and don't expect for more than he can give. Don't analyze. Smile when he makes you happy, yell when he makes you mad, and miss him when he's not there. You just can't live that negative way. You know what I mean? Make way for the positive day, 'cause it's a new day.